Hi everybody, here's another linear relation word problem. So let's read it together. So it says an amusement park charges an entrance fee, that's going to be the initial value, plus a certain amount of money for each time you go on a ride. So already we know that X is going to be the number of rides at this amusement park. And Y is going to be, well, the cost for these, the cost of all these rides. So $ cost. So let's make a table of values. So number of rides and cost. And let's see if we can figure out like this what we need to figure out. Let's see. So it says here that Kathy paid $12.50 for 15 rides. So 15 rides, $12.50, and Julie paid $10 to go on 10 rides. Okay, so remember the cost depends on the number of rides. This is the dependent variable, and this is the independent. The X is the independent variable. Okay, so let's see if we can find the slope here. So let's do this. So look, it costs an extra $2.50, an extra $2.50 for 5 extra rides. To $2.50 for 5 extra rides. So that's the slope. So the slope is going to be well, y1 minus y2. So I can just do this, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So that'll be the rate of change. So it'll be 12.50 minus 10 over 15 minus 10. And that'll give us 2.50 for 5. So 2.50 divided by 5, that's 50 cents. It's half, right? So it's 0.5 or 50 cents per ride. We know the slope is 50 cents per ride. Now we can find the entrance fee. So let's see. So the first person was Kathy. 15 rides cost $12.50. So I can just use a rule. B equals y minus ax. That's how we find the initial value. We can do that. So let's see, what is the initial value here? So I'm just taking the rule. Remember, I'm just taking the rule y equals ax plus b, and I'm solving for b. So I just bring it to the other side. I bring this to the other side, and I get y minus ax. So let's see. Let's choose. Which one should we choose? Let's choose 10, 10. That's easy. Let's choose that one. So y would be $10. So here I'll write $10 minus a. Now we found a to be 50 cents, 0.50. And the x is also 10. So what is the initial value? B equals 10 minus 5, which is 5. So the initial value is $5. Now we know our rule. So our rule, how much does it cost to go on these rides? Well, it's 50 cents for every ride plus a $5 entrance fee. And then the question is asking for Kim went on 20 rides. So if Kim went on 20 rides, well then y equals 50 cents per ride. So times 20 plus the $5 fee. So 50 cents times 20, that's 10 plus 5, it's $15. So she paid $15 to go on 20 rides. So I'll write it back up here. So $15 for 20 rides. And that's the answer. So $.